Hi, welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment. If you've never been to my channel before, I'm CJ. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. And I got a box. Haven't had a box in a while, so I got this big smile on my face. Because everybody knows when I get a box, I get to use my knife. I get to use my knife on a box. Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, cut like butter. Cut like butter. Let's see. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, definitely from Amazon. Got the tag. And this is what it is. This is sports headphones. Now, a lot of people have been wanting me to do headphones, and they want me to do sport headphones because they don't like that earbud in their ear. It makes it uncomfortable and it falls out. So I figure, you know what? I'm not really into the earbuds. However, I'll get them. I'll try them out, let you know if they're good or not. And then I can give them away for a giveaway. It has LED lights, has the USB charging. So let's open it up and see how it truly look. And then you know how I'm going to do. I'll do that without reading the instructions. So read the instructions, then we'll be back for up close. So let's see how it looks. Wow, that is really pretty. Nice case. Okay, this is how the box looks. It's a sports headphone set. And on the side, it tells you there's LED lights, US charge port, and this is a 2-device simultaneously. That is IP proof, waterproof. It's cute. Pop that up. And in here, a little pouch, a little drawstring, and of different size earpieces. Small, medium, and large. Okay, let's check out up close. This is a nice rubber, nice and soft. And these are the earpieces, nice and soft. And this is for the right ear side. Multiple functional button, the volume, and the mic. And this wraps around the earlobe, which looks nice. And on this side is the charging port. And it covers with a little cover. And it's the new flat charging cord. Nice, bendable. There'll be a link below in my description if you'd like to purchase these. You hold it next to a device, unlock the device, press that multiple button for 5 seconds. The light will come on. It will be red and blue. So then it's now time to go to your device and set up these S1s on your wireless device. And let's pair it. Okay. I'm at my Bluetooth device. Okay, that's synced. Connected. Here, you see that it's connected. Vicseed. But because these headphones can simultaneously connect to 2 different devices, we're going to see how this works. So first, what you do is if you connect this one, and I lost the color blue on showing. Now, I have to cut this one off. So I'm going to cut this one off. Then I'm going to go back to it. Make sure it's still here. It's just not connected. Then I'm going to go over to this device. And as soon as I cut that off, it automatically showed on this device. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to hit that, connect it over here. And it also showing that it's connected here. And there's music, and hit play. That's how, and it's connected now to the iPhone 5C, and it's playing that song, as well as it's still connected to the iPad 9.5. Lights up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuff and my stuffing.